Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kat, and today's video I will be showing you guys my installation on this exact wig. So this wig was sent to me by Hurela Hair, and they sent me their 13x4 26 straight frontal lace wig. And I love this hair, y'all. This hair was so silky. I went in and plucked it. Well, my stylist went in and plucked it. We did not, dye the hair. We left it at its natural state. And I really love this hair. Like, I loved it. The only con about this wig was that the side part was short. But, I'm already kind of used to, the side parts being very short. But, my stylist, most styles, was able to, finesse the side part for some reason. I don't know how she did it, but she did. And we decided to do this side swoop hairstyle that I've always wanted to try. But we never got to it. And today was the day for us to try this hairstyle. And I love this hair, y'all. This hair is very silky. The wig is silky. It's very soft. So, yeah, I will leave all the information about this wig down below in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow my stylist because she's definitely, the person that's been helping me push out all of these hair videos. So, definitely a huge shout out to Mo because I would not be here without her for sure. So yeah, I will leave everything down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Also, I forgot to mention that the knots was very small, and it was very easy to bleach. So yeah, that's a great part of the process when it comes to installing your wig. You want to make sure that your knots are invisible. Okay, boo? And this wig did just that.
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you are the trigger. You brought me to an abstract view. When you know the picture was bigger. From the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of mine, motherfucker right. You motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, I'm tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by. Tryna let the time heal all.
what they say, or the more things change, the more they stay the same. Ain't that a shame?
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you are the trigger. You brought me to an abstract view. When you know the picture was bigger, who was the kidding? But from the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of mine, motherfucking right. You motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, I'm tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by. Tryna let the time heal all. Tryna let the time kill all of our memories. All you meant to me. All that history. All that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Calm down. Calm down eventually. Calm down.
This is the end of my hair. Give a huge thumbs up if you think Mo really killed this hairstyle, because it gave what it needed to give. Okay. Look at this wig. Look at the shine, y'all. I don't think y'all see it. But anyways, guys, I will leave everything down in the description. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.